Good morning. It's Friday. I feel awful. I'm on vacation. I'm happy to be on vacation still. Good people, how you doing? Today is Friday and I end up getting dressed and I made it with the family. Thought I wasn't gonna make it with my stomach hurting, but I'm here and we are at the Hoover Dam. This is one view if you've never visited. Oh, look at that sexy man there. This is what we're surrounded around. That's the family. Huh? No, I'm not going out there for them corns. No. We're not doing that. No, we ain't coming up. No, we ain't coming up. No, we're not. But this is beautiful. You don't have to pay him. You don't have to do that anyways. I told you hot dog good though. But
why you keep moving stuff?
I don't know. This is so beautiful. Hey, Dee Dee. Hey, Dee Dee.
Okay, y'all ready?
But that's the restroom.
Restroom's upstairs, man. Okay.
Hoover Dam, 1931, 1935. But I want Hoover Dam Spillway House Event Center. Oh wow. That is a beautiful view.
I know, that's what I just said.
I like that. It's pretty. Nevada time says right now it is, what is that, 1:15? It's 1:15 in Nevada. And when we go to the next, it separates. It's the thing that separates them, right? The river separates it, right?
115.
It's 1:15?
Yeah, mine.
It's 1:15 on my husband's phone.
Time zone change.
I don't know if you can see it. I don't know. And then as soon as we go cross this river bridge, the time is going to change to, what time is it say on that side then? Arizona time. That would say 1:15. So I want to go. But I thought the times changed. Maybe they didn't do it. I don't know. We're going to see. There's a time change between Arizona and Nevada. So we're in Nevada right now. And then when we cross this river, we're going to be in Arizona. This is really cool. Really, really cool. I don't know. Oh, I like this view too, babe. It's the same view, but it's pretty. We came from there, so that's the view you were seeing at first. We were over there, and we're slowly making our way around. Hoover Dam, named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover, 31st President of the United States. So that's where the name comes from. The United States of America Department of Interior Bureau Reclamation, Boulder Canyon Project, Construction Contract. Oh, they have the names of everybody that worked on it. Oh, they have a thing. Hold on there. Oh, that's pretty. Sister, look. Oh, we got it. Hey, we're about to cross. Hello, we're about to cross over to Arizona. This is a view. If you live in the United States of America and you have not seen some places, you need to get out and travel. If you're fortunate. If you can save. If you can save. And I can give some tips on how to save, but save and then you'll be able to do these things. Because this is, pictures don't do it justice. You have to see this for yourself. You have to see this for yourself. I mean, me recording this does not tell the whole story. And that's the other side. But, oh my gosh. Oh Lordy. Oh, that's pretty. Alright. I am. What are they doing? I don't know, but I'm about. So we came from over there, from that building there. Oh, look at the building we came from. Oh, it looks so much different, that view. Mom probably scared. We just crossed over.
Well, you can tell because look at all the rust on the tanks down here.
But I wonder when.
Look at all the water rust on the tanks and all the infrastructures. Look at all the
Yeah, I don't
rust.
think they built it up. But oh my, I want to watch the news. I'm going
See how they
to.
got all the boats and stuff out there?
I'm gonna research this, and I'm gonna see when the last time it was up there high. It crashed. It crashed.
Ain't that something?
Uh-oh. Right here. My My husband left me in Arizona, and he's going to Nevada. I'm gonna show y'all where he at. This is Arizona. This is the Hoover Dam. Look, my husband way over there. He's going to oh my. I done took pain pill. I'm hanging it. I needed this. I needed this. I needed this. Clear my mind. Hubby and my it is told that you're supposed to rub the toes. We're gonna rub both toes. Woo! Ah!
This some big old boy. You gotta
I took one from the other side.
What other set of toes?
We rubbing these toes. They shining from people rubbing them. Keep them clean. We got them toes clean.
The floor you are standing on, embedded are 209 metal discs. Each disc is scaled to the exact.
We are in Paris. Babe, you in Paris? In the casino, Paris.
Gonna get on this Eiffel Tower attraction.
We are in Paris, sister.
Or you can't go to Vegas.
Mama. We have a personal escort.
That's what we was at yesterday over there now.
Looks of it, you can tell this. We are leaving Las Vegas, Nevada, baby. Daddy. Close your window. Dad, close your window. Oh, I can see you now. And that's those three. Tight. Ooh, that one ain't the close. I can't see you blending in with the wall of the plane.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. 149 service to New Orleans. Once you've located your seat, go ahead and step out of the green aisle. You can see the boarding process.
We on a small
There's a double wide
plane.
aisle. So again, once you locate that assigned seat, just go ahead and step out of the aisleway. Allow the other folks to pass by.
But
It is a full
Lord,
flight. Large
is
bags
my
going to other
shepherd, and I
compartments,
shall not
carry-on,
want.
small personal items go underneath the seat
And
in
God
front
has
of
not
you.
given me the spirit of
Thank you.
fear, but we're on a small plane. Spirit just acting up with us today. We're on this small little airplane. We're on this small little airplane. And I got some chapstick on. But when we land, we are on our way to New Orleans. Y'all. We made it. We're in New Orleans, y'all. We are in New Orleans.
You're outside of the terminal. In designated areas, if you have checked luggage and you're finishing here, you claim your bags outside of security, downstairs, lower levels, for your baggage claim. For those who connect you to another destination at Spirit, your bags will be transferred for you automatically. And if you have any questions regarding that next flight,
We just boarded and I'm beside my rando. They're back there together again. We are on our way home.